Kyle, what are you guessing?
475.
I'm going 505. I'm gonna go 455.
Looking real good. Where'd you guess?
455.
Yeah, I'm looking real good.
You guys?
470?
So we got this
What?
113,000 mile
Yeah, it's gonna be mine soon.
Z06. Huh?
It's gonna be mine soon.
What, your Camaro?
I'm at 100,100.
Really? You hit 100,000?
Yeah, not happy. I hit it Wednesday.
Oh man, not good. Not good. Is this thing getting to stage 3 or stage 4?
It's getting everything, man. Stage 4 and a clutch.
Nice. The check engine light came on after the first pull. So
Well, that's because these things, if you try and start them on like low battery and it's like a slow crank and it fires up, sometimes the taxi won't work for whatever reason, and it'll throw a crank code. So that's why it threw a crank code, but it'll clear once you know it's got a good battery in it.
Got it.
So it's gonna need a battery. One steering line is piston fucking fluid. You already left in the dribble on my fucking bay. It's been here 5 minutes. But yeah, Texas speed headers. It's got a VRM on it. It's got a.
Are we gonna switch it to a Haltech or?
I don't know. It's got. I think so. It's got a DeWitt's radiator. It's got a flex fuel sensor, which we'll be taking off because we don't do flex in C6s unless it's a 01. Because they come with it.
Gotcha.
So I'll be taking that off. So stage 4 clutch is all I know right now. I gotta go check the sheet. It's gonna be a fun time.
Should be. Is this the highest mile one you've worked on?
C6, yeah.
Eric's favorite player really is Jalen Hurts.
You know, I'd like to know how many of our viewers are football fans and who they root for. If they agree that Eagles are the best team in the league right now.
So Kyle, you think they're going all the way?
Oh, I knew they were going all the way from the beginning of the fucking season. I've been playing that song since before the season started. There, I'll tell you.
How'd you know?
How do I know?
Yeah.
Because I have faith. Yeah, you know, it's a true fan. You just gotta believe.
So you got the clutch wrapped up in this. Now you're about to do the rotors and brakes.
Gonna do the no. I guess I shouldn't I? Yeah, I guess I'll do that. And then get cracking on the head scan tomorrow. I do motor mounts in this John too. John's are busted.
Say one of them's busted?
Both of them are busted.
Oh, shit.
Well, you know, that's what happens.
How'd the old pads look?
Just worn. So they're in the trash.
Okay.
I can't change them.
Nothing like a nice shiny new rotor. So you're doing an MGW?
I already have one on it.
It's been a minute since you've done an MGW on one of these.
Yeah, it's been a few months. It's been a while since I did just a clutch on one of these things.
True. Yeah, the MGWs are badass. They feel much better than stock.
Yeah, I need to get one for my car. It's on the list.
How much?
It's like $400 some.
You're retired now, aren't you?
Man, this thing's dirty.
This thing's a mess, man. Connectors are broken. Whoever installed the DeWitt's radiator, normally how we do it is the DeWitt's that come with an extra fan.
Yeah.
You have to splice in their fans to the initial thing, but we do it so you keep the plug. And this one, I don't know why, because it clearly has the OG fan on it. They cut out the fan connector and just butt connected it in two separate places. So anytime you need to take the fan out, you have to cut and solder fucking wires.
Oh, you have to cut the wire.
So now I have to cut all the butt connectors off and solder all the wires back together. Freaking the plug for the engine coolant temperature sensor look like that. Quality. So yeah, they cut the wires, and then he has them also butt connected up here, wrapped in electrical tape again. So I don't know why you would do that. I don't know if you ever seen that video clip. You keep saying why over and over again. Why? You ever see that? Why?
Why? Why? Why? Why?
So I've been saying every time I'm touching this car. We'll get it right though. Definitely gonna be cleaner when I use it. Tell you that. I think it's disgusting.
Oh yeah.
I think it's nasty. It's gonna be a nice little engine bay clean job while I got the heads off.
Oh yeah.
Eric, I can't tell you a single key price song. I said that blood was fucked up. Probably broke the record. Look at Derek. It's a fucking camera. Let's feel like he's watching everything I'm doing.
I'm not even filming you. What are you talking about? Man, you're worried over there.
Top came off just lifted.
Oh,
That's not good.
it's not supposed to happen.
No. Oh. Fucking walked out with that one, didn't you? Jesus Christ. Not good. Nothing's supposed to be.
Crazy.
Back at lunch, Matt's like, fuck yeah, dude, we're more than halfway through the week.
He always does
And I'm like, what the fuck do you mean? And I'm like, it's Tuesday. And he goes, get the fuck out.
Yeah, that nice shiny new line stands out like a sore thumb.
Certainly does.
How's that one look?
Broken.
Unboxing them shiny new headers. Look at that.
Crazy, isn't it?
It is.
Yeah. Oh, nice!
What'd you get?
Of course it's double XL. It's a new design too. That is sick.
You know what this is for?
Proud.
That's nice.
That is sick.
Oh, the shiny throttle body on this one.
Going polished.
Polished Joan.
This catch can matches too.
Nice.
Are you extending a wire or splicing a
No,
wire?
so I fucking on this harness there was like electrical tape over it, and you can tell like put a new connector on. I guess the other one was messed up, so I was like, just for shits and giggles, I took the tape off just to see, because every other thing he has is butt connected. So just I opened it and it's not even butt connected. He just twisted it and just wrapped tape around it. So I'm doing it the right way.
Soldering it.
Yeah.
This is a C6E that came in, I believe, stock. Got our full stage 4 head scan package. Actually, it already had a VARAM on it, so I know that. So I got our head scan package, 2-inch American Racing headers, Mamo ported MSD, 60-pound injectors, a Monster LT1S triple, and a catch can. And it came from Louisiana. And this thing has 112,000 miles on it. But oil pressure is 50 pounds right now sitting here at idle, and it's 115 degree oil temp. So the oil pressure in this thing is killer for that many miles. I don't remember what a baseline. What is this thing baseline? Okay, 479, 464 is thing baseline. Rich, 560, 530 torque so far, because I only revved it to 5,400. Yeah, 112,000 on this thing. It's got some miles, but don't be scared to mod it. This dude ain't. He obviously drives it, and he's gonna drive it, I'm assuming, a ton more. And it seems like it's gonna make pretty good power so far. 530 torque right off the bat, without making, you know, even close to a full pull. It's pretty good. Didn't we put a battery in this? All right, well, it's not the battery then. It's a grounding issue is my guess. All right, we're back. New starter. And it starts perfect now. I guess Kyle said the post on the old starter was like broken or like loose or something inside. So, I mean, it does have 122,000 miles on it. I don't know if it was the original one or not, but whatever. It starts good now, and that's all I care about. .620, 535. .636, 547. Pretty stout there. Reset the oil life. Fucking Kyle slacking. .640, 547. All right, this will probably be the last pull before I let it cool down some. This thing starts significantly better now. .637. I'm gonna let this thing cool down, and we'll be back. All right, let this thing cool down. see what she does, see if she gets over 640. $636. It's a little cold though. I'm actually going to do another one. $638. Alright, well that's that. This thing made killer power for the mileage. It's running good. Should be happy with it. On to the next.